In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to Pipedrive in just 5 minutes. This quick integration is a handy tool for sales professionals and anyone looking to streamline their workflow. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Surf website. Surf is a powerful integration tool that allows you to connect LinkedIn with various CRMs, including Pipedrive. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the Get Started or Start for Free buttons. Clicking on either of these will guide you through setting up your account, which is necessary to begin the integration process. Now, if you don't already have an account with Surf, don't worry, it's easy to create one. Simply follow the prompts and fill in the required information. It's a straightforward process and just takes a minute. Having your account set up is crucial because it allows you to add and manage various integrations. After your account is ready and you're logged in, it's time to install the Surf extension. To do this, click on the option to add Surf to Chrome. Adding this browser extension is essential as it acts as the bridge between LinkedIn and Pipedrive, facilitating the seamless data transfer. If you're not using Chrome, check to see if Surf supports your browser of choice, but Chrome is generally recommended for best compatibility. Once you've added the extension, the next step is to select Pipedrive CRM as your destination for the LinkedIn integration. As you make this selection, Surf might prompt you to set up your email. This step is about configuration, ensuring that any leads or data imported from LinkedIn find their correct place in Pipedrive. Now that you've configured your settings, click on Continue to the app. This step will engage the backend processes, setting up the API calls necessary for the integration. You'll notice that the Surf interface will redirect you to LinkedIn. This is where you must authorize the connection between LinkedIn and your Pipedrive account through Surf. Keep an eye out for any prompts on LinkedIn asking for permission to connect your Pipedrive data. It's important to approve these requests to ensure that the integration functions smoothly. Make sure to carefully review any permissions to understand what data is being shared and how it will be used. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected LinkedIn to Pipedrive via Surf. This integration now allows you to effortlessly manage your contacts and streamline your workflow, bringing all your important data into one unified system. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below.